Okay, good morning everybody. I just woke up. Not really, but so I have the hiccups right now. No idea why. I don't know. I was gonna take a shower right now, but I thought I'd show you, get the hiccups in the video a little bit before I take a shower. I couldn't sleep last night. I had nightmares, and not normal nightmares. They were just weird. And so I know I look terrible right now. I took out my piercing last night because it was bugging me, and I woke up this morning with a scab. But I tried to cover it up. See, right there? So I woke up with the scab, so obviously it healed over. So I'm just gonna go to Spencer's and get like a fake piercing for now until this one eventually really heals. Because it's scabbed up. Yeah, you can tell I like just now, huh? I'm looking at my arm, by the way. I hate having the hiccups. That one sounded so weird. It's hurting my back now. Like my back hurts whenever I hiccup now. I'm gonna sit down. I don't feel like standing. Hurts still, even though it's scabbed up. I'm so out of it right now because it's like so early in the morning. Actually, it's not. It's like 9, almost 10 in the morning, but it's just like, I don't know. My throat hurts. It feels like it's getting sore, like I'm gonna lose my voice. So, oh my god. But if I do lose my voice, I don't know when I'd make another video. But if I do lose it, I'm probably gonna make like, oh god, I'm not making sense right now. If I do lose my voice, like I think I will, then I'll basically just write on cards in the video. In the next video I'll post, because I mean it's not fair to not just post a video. I think they stopped. Nope. my hiccups can go on forever, but like I'm not gonna let them because they fucking annoy me. I swear I just heard someone coughing. My cat got me right there. It sucks. She got me right there. I look so gross in the morning. I'm gonna have to end the video soon because this thing's gonna die. No, it's not gonna work like how it should. Did it yesterday. I heard my brother. You could see it like right here, like it kind of sucks in when I hiccup. See, it like rises. Watch. Oh yeah, I'm not gonna show my ballet because no, I'm not. It's just like, it's something I'm not gonna do. Ow, I hurt my throat. Well, guys, no more hiccups. That was cool. I think they all stopped. And watch it come back like unexpectedly when I'm talking. That's gonna be funny. So I'm just gonna talk kind of fast. I don't know. I'm like spacing out a lot. This video would be better if I had hiccups later in the day, but I guess I just got supposedly am supposed to get them in the morning, so I guess I'm just gonna post that. So there's my hiccup video, and now that's the hiccup portion, and then here's the update. This again, I took my piercing out like before I went swimming yesterday, which was around like 5 to like 6 till like 5:30ish, and then I had to eat dinner with my family. Ugh. Because some of you know I don't really eat a lot, so it was kind of weird. But I didn't finish all of the food. I finished like half of it. Maybe half, I think. I don't know. But, yeah, so I took it out, I like left it out for dinner too, and then went back out to swim after a few minutes, and came back in around like 7:30 to 7:39 or something like that. And so yeah. And then I changed and like, I don't know, was ready about 8, and I let my hair dry naturally. That's why I'm taking a shower this morning, just to get everything off my body and all the chlorine out of my hair. And yeah, so yeah, it was my yesterday, and yeah, I say that a lot. Oh no, I just did that face because I keep saying I'm like I don't know what other word to substitute with, like I think I should say just no, I don't know. That's like my trademark. What else? A friend of mine is in the hospital, and they don't look too good. Yeah. My little brothers are annoying. Don't think I ever mentioned that. I want to bleach my hair blonde. I want to like bleach my hair so all of my hair is blonde. Like, I want to do that. And the only reason is because I want to like put some color in my hair and have it not just brown, but like, yeah, so yeah, that's what I want to do with my hair. But like, my parents would ever let me, I would do it, to be honest, I would do it like little by little, like, because my dad's the one that buys me a Manic Panic, and I got the bleach already, so I like bleached the bottom of my hair and it's like lighter, but not that much. I gotta bleach it again, see if it gets lighter, like, yeah. Yeah, so I'm probably gonna, sorry that I'm whispering, I think someone's there. Okay, so yeah, I gotta re-bleach the bottom of my hair. I'm probably gonna bleach like some of my bangs. But yeah, I want to end up bleaching my whole hair, and then because when I have enough money, I'm gonna buy Manic Panic again, and I'm just gonna be like, just buy like a different color, because it's like $10 a bottle. But if I buy Manic Panic at Hot Topic, they're like bottles from like, hold on. They're like bottles that are like, sorry, I'm not trying to hold it, they're like bottles like that big. By fingers like that big I think. And like they had an offer like buy one get one free, so that'd be cool. But like I'm gonna do a little by little, and then like do color my hair more, bleach it more, color it until it's like full, my whole head, and then because it's like did it little by little, but did it, and then like they'll probably just let me dye whatever I want. So hopefully that works out. I'm gonna go, I gotta take a shower. As you see, I like ran in here and hid